Hello everyone, welcome back to Chocolate Gamer 1. In today's video we will be installing fyde onto the Raspberry Pi 4 Model B. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anything. But anyways, fyde hold up. It's like an open source operating system, but better because, well, it can run on a lot of things, including single board computers, like the Raspberry Pi 4, and all of these, including the Pi 5 and Pi 400, which is a Pi 4 built into a keyboard. But anyways, let's download. I will restart recording once I have a better recording angle and it's done downloading. And okay, so now we are going to select my Raspberry Pi storage device, which is an SD card. I'm gonna click next, no, yes, I want to continue, and now it's writing. This could take a bit, so I'll start recording again once it's done right. And okay, it's at 94%, so I'm just gonna let you watch this remaining install. It's just verifying. It's about to be ready. Oh, we're soon gonna have the entire fyde. Oh no, we're gonna have fyde. Okay. I didn't know it was a reader. And okay, now I'll be right back and just wait for while I set up the rest. And okay, so now we are officially gonna be running fyde, hopefully. Wait, what? Why is it not detected? Be right back. I think I'm gonna have to do some technical difficulties. And okay, I got it working. So now we're gonna use a local account because I don't have it. And hold up, you're not gonna see my password. And okay, now we're gonna be using a local account. And that's fine, I like dark theme. Dark. I'll prefer to oh my, shut that up. Finally. It's like Chrome OS, but a bit better. And I'm joking, this is worse than Chromebook. Oh, hi Android. Terminal. I can get Linux on here. Hold up. Set up. Dismiss. Like, it's not even a... Set up. Next. Never mind, I'm not wasting 10 gigabytes. About fyde. Mine is up. Yeah, don't do that. My CPU temperature is 40 degrees. It's currently being used quite a bit. It has 8 gigabytes. Hey, at least I can use a lot. Hold up, can I get apps on here? Store. Android. Wait. No. I know what game we have to get. Oh, glad. Of course we have to get this app. It's popular. At least in my school it is. No. Yes. You see, I'll do that, but at the same time I don't want to, so... Yeah, I know. But yeah, see? You got... Wait. It's just... Why did it get started? No, diagnostic... My CPU is currently being used a lot less than earlier. 4 threads. Do you know what CPU I'm using? I'm guessing no. Not showing you my... Oh yeah, I know what I can use. Let me into my account. But yeah, and hold up. I'm not showing you my internet. You don't get to see my internet. There we go. Yeah, fyde AI. Is that fyde OS's AI? It's fyde OS. What do you do? But yeah, let's see how we can do watching. Why are we on Bing? Why are we already on Bing? We've got some settings to change. First of all, it's using the wrong browser. That's fyde OS. Search engine. No. We'll use Google. we'll use normal. Oh. Now let's see if I can watch one of my videos. Well, one of my more recent videos. The most recent one as of recording this. Let's see, will it crash? I hope not, because it took a bit. What is that? Yeah, I'm setting a new wallpaper, even though Dragonflight is fine. I just don't like it. And I know for a fact that my school is putting. But yeah, look at my images, 6 images. Do we have anything that's not my images? No. Cityscape? No, it doesn't like that apparently. Get me out of here. Why is it so slow? Cityscape, cityscape. This one, that's this one. That's this one. Bye. No, don't change it. What the? No, ew. I like these. Ooh, I like. Oh, but not enough for me. I'll go landscapes because I like that image. Yeah, I specifically want this. Please become my wallpaper. Thank you. Oh, transparency on what I would consider to be. My buttons. I wonder what the home button does. Don't click the power button. Calculate. Okay. Do we have? No, you're not. Oh, hi, fyde AI. Why don't they have a? Okay, so we do have an app to download. Then we need the calculator app. Please tell me it's on it. All-in-one calculator. Yeah, sure, I'll go with this one. Activate it. Hold up, this is personal practice. I agree. We're enabling the fyde Android subsystem. You are not gonna. Oh wait, this is actually fine. Gosh, why is it laggy? Yeah, let's see. Yep, this is just like Chrome OS. Except it's called fyde OS. Oh, and it's not even called Google Play Files. Oh, did I just create a new folder? Oh great, we have something to add to our trash already. There's a folder I accidentally made. Please stop lagging. I don't like the fact that, it's slow, which makes sense. Maybe it'll speed up. Maybe it needs a restart. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should I do more fyde OS stuff? Like, should I try to game on fyde OS? No. I know that would be a bit interesting to see. Let's see. Is our calculator app? Are you gonna launch? Please. Please. Work! Is there among quick Minecraft? No. is to get Roblox? The answer is no. Oh, wait, can we find Roblox here? Can we find anything good here? Now I'm gonna close you and see. What is our all-in-one ad? Please. Download! Yeah! Show in folder. Oh my. It's fine. It's just a calculator. App installed. Done. I like how it automatically deleted it. Like it says, oh, you don't need this anymore, by the way. Oh. I wonder, how good is our calculator app that we just successfully installed? Oh yeah, that was not body. I think I just need a simple calculator. This should be 1,800. Perfect. $2,799. Perfect, it works. Well, let's keep downloading apps. There's so much I can download onto here. Ah, I see that actually became, you know, a bit more manageable. Ignore that. But yeah, I think that's all for today's video. A follow-up video will happen soon. Don't worry, it won't be like the last time where I left you guys hanging. Well,